Hello Law Achievers. Today we will study power, authority, and legitimacy. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. In politics, power is the ability to influence and control the behavior of people. The term authority is often used for power perceived as legitimate by the social structure. Power can be seen as unjust, but the exercise of power is accepted as endemic to humans as social beings. Power may be regarded as one of the central concepts of political science. It is said that the concept of power holds the same status in the realm of political science as held by the concept of money in the realm of economics. It is the ability of a person to fulfill his desire or to achieve his objectives. Meaning and definition of power. Power, in its broadest sense, is the ability to influence the outcome of events, in the sense of having the power to do something. In global politics, this includes the ability of a country to conduct its affairs without the interference of other countries. Power is usually thought of as a relationship, i.e., as the ability to influence the behavior of others in a manner not of their choice. It is the capacity of individual to impose one's will over the behavior. Power does not refer to man's power over nature or his self-control, but control over other man or body of men. Definitions. Max Weber. Power is the authority to enable an actor to do certain things and also to create normality among the diversified opinions of the people. R.M. McIlver. Power means the presence of a force to regulate the behavior of people, to control them and to direct such behavior of the people, to control them and to direct such behavior. Bertrand Russell. Power is the capacity to influence the actions of others. Harold Laswell links power with influence and says, power is the ability to produce intended effects as directly involve other person. Types of powers. Legitimate power. This type of power comes from holding a position of authority or having a formal role that grants power. Reward power. This power stems from the ability to give rewards or incentives to others. It could be in the form of promotions, bonuses, or desirable form of outcomes. Expert power. This power is based on possessing special knowledge, skills or expertise in a particular area. Referent power. This power is based on admiration, respect, or the desire to be like someone. It's often associated with personal qualities, charisma, and the ability to inspire other people. Coercive power. This power is derived from the ability to impose punishment or negative consequences on others. Exercise of political power and role of the government in decision making. Political power can manifest in various forms, including legal authority, coercive force, economic control, and the ability to shape public opinion. Exercised at multiple levels ranging from local communities to national governments and even international bodies, the exercise of political power involves making decisions, enacting laws, and implementing policies that affect the lives and well-being of citizens. Examples. 1. Leader of a political party. 2. Influencer. Exercise of political power. Legitimacy. Legitimacy means the authority and right to exercise power. A government is legitimate when people believe it has the right to make decisions and enforce laws. Free and fair elections. This involves conducting elections where all eligible citizens have the right to vote, and the process is free from manipulation or unfair practices. Making policies. Governments create rules and decisions, known as policies, to address various issues and guide the functioning of the state. Checks and balances. This refers to the distribution of powers among different branches of government to prevent any one branch from becoming too powerful. Emergency power. Government may be granted special powers during emergencies to address urgent situations, but these powers are usually limited in scope and time. Protection of minorities. Ensuring the rights and well-being of minority groups, so they are not unfairly treated or marginalized by the majority. Rule of law. Article 14. The rule of law means that everyone, including the government, is subject to and accountable under the law. Art. 14 typically refers to a specific legal provision emphasizing equality before the law. Role of government in decision making. Government plays a central role in the exercise of political power. They make decisions, formulate policies, and implement laws that shape the direction of a society. Governments also have the authority to enforce these decisions through their legal and coercive powers. External influences on the exercise of political powers. External influences on the exercise of political power refer to factors outside of the government, a ruling body that shape decision making and policy outcomes. These influences can come from various sources and play a significant role in shaping the direction of governance. Some external influences on the exercise of political powers are 1. Interest groups. 2. Lobbying. 3. Economic factors. 4. International relations. 5. Media and public opinions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more easy learning and like and share.